Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to request a car seat on Uber. Now, just to preface before I show you how it works is that depending on your area and depending on the drivers that you have around your area or close by, there might not be available car seats that you can request. And I'm going to show you right now. So on your Uber app, just just put where you're going to be picked up and where you're going to go, which is your destination, right? So we're going to just go Tattersalls again because why not? There you go. And then let's just put LTD, and then let's go to here, right? So here you're going to be shown the options that you can get when it comes to your Uber rides, right? So you have Uber X, priority, so on and so forth. And on the very bottom, depending on, again, like what I said, the location or the availability of the drivers, you're going to have extra seats. So that is how you do so. So affordable rides for groups up to 6. So all you need to do is choose the extra seats and book it the same way you're booking a normal Uber trip. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.